Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a color palette that's both luxurious and surprisingly versatile. Pink and gold. Whether you're looking to add a touch of glamour or a warm, inviting vibe to your space, this color combo is your new best friend. So let's get inspired and start transforming our homes with these gorgeous hues. First things first, why pink and gold? Well, pink offers a range of shades from soft blush to deep rose, each adding its unique mood to your decor. Gold, on the other hand, brings that touch of elegance and sophistication. When combined, they create a perfect balance of warm, welcoming vibes with a luxurious feel. Let's start with the basics. Textiles. Think of a soft pink throw blanket on a creamy sofa, accented with gold decorative pillows. It's simple, it's chic, and it transforms your living space without overwhelming it. Moving on to lighting, which is crucial, right? Imagine a gorgeous gold chandelier or table lamps with pink shades. These are not just functional, they're statement pieces that draw the eye and enrich the ambiance of any room. Now, let's talk walls. Pink wallpapers with gold patterns can add depth and texture to your decor. Or, if you prefer something less permanent, gold-framed artworks with pink elements work wonders for your wall aesthetics. And, of course, we cannot forget the accessories. Gold mirrors with intricate frames, pink vases or candles, and even gold-trimmed photo frames. Small additions like these can make big statements. But it's not just about looks, it's about how these colors make you feel. Pink is calming and comforting, while gold elevates those feelings to a feeling of quiet luxury. Together, they offer a sanctuary from the outside world, a place where you can relax in style. So, are you ready to give your home that pink and gold makeover? Remember, you don't need a complete overhaul. Start small, a pillow here, a candle there, and let the space evolve with your style. If you love these ideas and our style fits your home, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more decor inspiration. Until next time, keep making your home a place you love. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.